In the field of AI, recently we are seeing a latest update. A new AI model is going very much popular. Let's dive into it and discuss about this model. Basically, this one is a model for GLM and Chinese AI model developers team. And this is the model is very much going popular. Basically, this model is one of the best for any type of text to speech model. Let's dive into it and discuss about this model. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, because I bring regularly videos related to artificial intelligence and latest technology. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So let's dive into it and discuss about this model. Basically, this model is going very much popular, and it is publicly available, and it is an open source model. So this model you can find available. This is a page where you can visit and use this GLM for any type of task. In order to use this model, just you can run their documentation, read documentation in order to use this model in your own code snippet or in your locally in order to run this model. This model is pretty much cool with low VRAM. You can easily run for text to speech models. Approximately, if I talk about the model, it is very much pretty cool for any type of emotions predictions also, and the model size is also very much reduced as compared to other text to speech models. If we compare this model with any type of models related to Python as well as Chatterbox TTS, which is used for a clone, this model is pretty cool, and Conquer TTS as well as GTTS of Python libraries. This model is very much pretty cool for any type of task related to text to speech, and it is for you can use this model for real-time text to speech conversation like Clara or 7b. I have earlier shown you regarding the Apple new TTS model, but this is an open source model, so the source code of this model is publicly available, and this model has been launched from the China, and hence it is pretty much cool because it is trained on huge amount of data set related to text to speech with emotionless. If your words in your text has some emotions, then the speech will be according to emotions. Such as for angry use case, the emotion will be angry. For emotional scene or emotional use case, text to speech will be emotional, and vice versa for all other text cases. But this is pretty much cool and very much viral. So I hope so you love this video as well as this GLM. It is very much cool in order to use a real-time scenario or any type of AI assistant based voice agent for doing a task related to talking. You can use this model and run this locally on your any device. The benchmark is pretty cool, and voice is also feel very much realistic. The architecture of this model is also pretty much cool. You can see on your screen with the help of this. I think so they have used a diffusion type of architecture for this type of task. Earlier they used to use RNN, but now recurrent neural network. But now they have tried to use it on the diffusion based for generating predicting the next word. For audio processing, diffusion is one of the best model for doing this type of task. But yeah, this model is pretty cool, and I hope so we can see further this type of models related to this technology in the future. And this is architecture based on diffusion and for generating the real-time text to speech related to emotions as well as realistic voice case. And yeah, this model is very much cool. Also, you can also use this in your project as well as any type of AI based assistant projects. And this type of models and its source code is publicly available, and you can use their documentation code logic in order to use this model locally as well as install on Google Colab. Just you need a transformer Hugging Face inference in order to run this model on your device, and this is pretty much cool. I hope so this model can be gain in future very much popularity by GLM-TTS. But this model is one of the best going viral related to solving any type of text to speech as compared to other models. Benchmark is also pretty cool if we compare with the other LLM models related to text to speech, but it has emotions as well. So yeah, this one is JLM model TTS one. So yeah, Hope so you love this video. Don't forget